In front of me is nothing CMF Phone 2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then click on the icon of it available at the top. Select pop-up view and tap on this tiny window. As you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. To turn it into a bubble, click at the top left corner and then access it by tapping on the bubble. To close it completely, use this X at the top right one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!